Hello, welcome to PhysQuest. So this is the video solution for CSIR NET December 2019 Part C, question number 14. The question is, the pressure P of a gas depends on the number density rho of the particles and the temperature T, as the expression of pressure P is given as Kb T rho minus B2 rho square plus B3 rho cube, where B2 and B3 are positive constants. Let Tc, rho c and Pc denote the critical temperature, critical number density and critical pressure respectively. We need to calculate the ratio of rho c kBTC divided by Pc. 4 options are given and we need to choose the correct option. So let's get started. So this question comes from the section Heat and Thermodynamics, and the concept involved here is critical point. So when I say the term critical point, in general sense, critical point actually means the extreme point of a function, or you can say it is the maximum or the minimum. Suppose we have a curve like this. So you can see it has two extremes. One is it has a maximum value and it has a minimum value. So these, see, what signifies this critical point is that there is no change in the function at that point. If you see the top or at the bottom, there is no change at the function. And how do you find it out? You can do that by drawing a slope at that point, and the slope will be equal to 0. And the slope means it is, you have to calculate the first derivative of the function, which should be equal to 0 at the critical point. Suppose instead of a curve like this, you are given a mathematical expression. So how do you proceed in that case? See, to understand this concept thoroughly, you have to consider the phase diagram of a pure substance, or you can say the pressure versus temperature curve for a pure substance. Let us suppose we consider the pressure temperature curve of water. So in case of water, there are the three phases. Ice, water and vapor are separated by three phase boundary curves, and the three curves merge at a single point known as the triple point. At this point, all the three phases, ice, water and vapor, coexist. Out of the three curves, the liquid vapor phase curve, or you can say the boiling curve, this separates the water and the vapor phase. Now on the curve, both the water and the vapor phase coexist. So the point at which the curve ends is called the critical point. Before this point, on this curve, the transformation from water to vapor phase or vice versa will involve a phase transition. But after this point, the transition from liquid to vapor phase will be continuous without any phase transition. And this is also known as the supercritical fluid. So critical point here, this critical point is the point at which the curve is terminating. But as per our definition which we have discussed, the critical point, it should be when there is an extreme point is involved. So to understand that, instead of the pressure temperature curve, we have to consider the pressure versus the volume curve. So when we plot the same, this pressure versus volume curve will behave like this, and at this point you can see there is an extreme point which is the same critical point here. So at this stage, as per mathematical condition, at critical point, the first derivative of the pressure with respect to volume is equal to 0, and the second derivative of the pressure with respect to volume should also be equal to 0. So when we do that, we can calculate the critical values of the function. Now let's come back to our question. So here we are given the expression of pressure as kBT rho minus B2 rho square plus B3 rho cube. So here if you can see that pressure is a function of temperature and the number density, but number density is a function of volume, because number density is number of particles per volume. So instead of differentiating with pressure with respect to volume, we can do that for differentiate the pressure with respect to the number density rho. It will make the calculation much easier actually. So you can say that here at critical point the d square dp by d rho is equal to 0 and d square p by d rho square is equal to 0. Basically what we have to do is set these two differential dp by d rho and d square p by d rho square as 0 and find out the critical values of different parameters, that is dc, rho c and pc, and then put it in the expression and to find out the value of that expression. Okay, so now let's do that. So now when we differentiate it first time, dp by d rho is equal to kbtc minus 2b2 rho c plus 3b3 rho c square is equal to 0. Let's say, suppose this is our first equation. Similarly, when we differentiate it another time, d square p by d rho square is equal to minus 2b2 plus 6b3 rho c is equal to 0. Let us suppose this is our equation 2. Now from this second equation we can calculate the value of rho c. See, our purpose is to express all the critical parameters in terms of this the constant terms, that is b2 and b3. Okay, so here from equation 2, rho c is equal to b2 divided by 3b3. So now we have got the value of rho c. Now if we put this value of rho c in equation 1 here, so putting the value of rho c in equation 1, we will get kbtc is minus 2b2 b2 divided by 3b3 plus 3b3 into b2 square by 9b3 square is equal to 0. See, now apart from this term, all the terms involve this constant b2 and b3. So we can write down the value of kbtc, we can directly write down as kbtc is equal to, upon the final calculation, this will be is equal to b2 square divided by 3b3. So we have got the value of rho c and kbtc. So next what we have to do is, see, if we put the value of rho c and kbtc, we have at critical point the expression of pressure is kbtc rho c minus b2 rho c square plus b3 rho c cube, and we have already calculated as rho c and kbtc earlier. So now we will put the value of rho c and kbtc in this expression and find out the value of pc. So upon here putting the value of rho c and kbtc, pc is equal to, and what we will do is we'll put the value, and upon doing the further calculation and the simplification, ultimately it will yield the value as b2q divided by 27b3 square. So we have got the value of all the critical parameters. Now let's come to our question. In the question we are asked to calculate the value of the expression rho c kbtc divided by pc. So we have got rho c, we have got kbtc, and we have got pc. So just by putting all the values of the expression and upon simplifying it, ultimately we will get the value of this expression as 3. Now let's check the option. Now if you check the option, you can see that option B is matching with our result. So correct answer for this question is option B.